Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, where we talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. So, you know how everybody always says the best camera is the one you have on you? Well, I don't have any cameras on me today but my cell phone, and I've been needing to make a video since this weekend, and I'm going to try and do it on cell phone. Now, I have never recorded and sliced together a video using just my cell phone to record it or to put it together, but that's what we're going to try today. So I want to talk to you all about subscriber giveaways. Last week I was under 400 subscribers, had a really good video, and I'm over 400 subscribers, and I've been thinking about doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. So my question for you guys is, what would you like to receive as a subscriber if you want a giveaway? You know, you may not have a bike, or you might not need bug slide, or t-shirt or a hoodie, or so I want something that maybe everybody would be interested in winning and could appreciate. A gift card from Amazon's cheap and easy. I thought maybe about a gift basket, maybe getting some gear or moto clothes from Talaman Outfitters, or some independent bike shop. I've got friends that have a bike shop here. In the last giveaway I did a hoodie for their bike shop. So leave me a comment, let me know as a subscriber what you would like to get that you think would be something that all subscribers might enjoy or appreciate receiving. So I know a lot of channels do stickers and mail call and trade stickers and things like that. And I've made up a sticker design, but I have not made stickers yet. So I think to make the 500 subscriber giveaway a little better, I am going to give my winner of the 500 subscriber giveaway the first sticker that I send out to anyone. So besides me and April, they'll be the first person to get a Riding in the Ozarks sticker. And for all my moto vlogging friends out there, if you have stickers that you would like to include in the gift basket, or to go with my sticker to send to whoever the winner is, you can reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram, and if you want to send me stickers, I promise to include them in that 500 subscriber giveaway. So maybe if that person hasn't seen your channel, they'll check it out, and if nobody wants to do that, that's all cool too. If anybody who subscribes to my channel wants to donate to the 500 subscriber giveaway in some way, whether it's stickers or anything else, give me a shout, let me know. We'll see what we can come up with. I'm kind of leaning toward the idea of doing a gift basket of some kind. So let's see what I can get put together. I think that's a lot more personable than an Amazon gift card. So cool. All right, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, subscribe down below. Hit that bell to be notified the next time I drop a new video. As always, thanks for your support. Be safe and keep on riding. Oh yeah, and if this really sucks, you can leave me a comment below and let me know that, yeah, don't record shit on your phone, you suck at it, dude. So anyway, thanks y'all.